what's up, you guys? Welcome to Delicious Cooking. So today we are making some, well, I am making some chicken parmesan. Okay, that's what I will be making today. So what I'm putting in here, I'm oiling my pan with some garlic butter. Okay, this is garlic butter. This is all I use when it comes to cooking. I only use garlic butter. I love garlic butter because I always put a lot. So yeah, I love my garlic butter. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, and yeah, I'm really obsessed with garlic butter. So we're gonna let that melt, okay, before I start adding my chicken cutlet pieces inside of it. All right, so as you can see, it's herbs in here. This butter has herbs. This butter has garlic. This butter has yeah, garlic, because it's garlic butter. I'm going to show you what kind of garlic herb butter it is. It's this kind. This is really delicious. It's really good. So this is actually melting kind of quick. All right, so now I'm going to start adding my chicken pieces in there, my chicken cutlets. Okay, I'm just going to throw all of that in there. All right, yeah, throw all of that in there. Now, what I have on top of my, what do I have mixed? I already seasoned the chicken. So, I'm going to turn this low because I like for my meat to simmer. So, what I already have in the chicken, tenderloin, I mixed it. I used, not too much seasoning, some sazon, not sazon, yeah, sazon, and some fresito it is, yeah, if I'm saying it correctly. And I used some garlic, not garlic, but a little bit of different herbs and stuff. Fresito, if I'm saying it correctly. So yeah, this is just gonna cook. I'm gonna spread this out. As you can see, the butter is looking really good. I love this frying pan. I mean, I love it. This frying pan is actually by Rachel Ray. No, I'm sorry. This frying pan is, this is not the Rachel Ray cooking set. This is the Martha Stewart. I love Martha Stewart cook set. I'm obsessed with her cook sets. I changed it. I was using the Tefl cook sets, but I'm not using that anymore to cook. I'm using Martha Stewart. I decided to use like the frying pans that is ceramic, so you could be able to see my cooking when I'm cooking. It's more better, especially when you're filming. So that's how I feel, instead of using like a black pan. That's just so, you know, old-fashioned. I think it is. To each his own, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this and let this actually simmer. Okay, you guys? I'm going to cover this and actually let this simmer. As you can see, the smoke and stuff like that. So I'm just going to let these chicken cutlets simmer. And then we're going to add the rest of the stuff. Okay? The ingredients. I will be right back. So, hey, you guys, we're going to check on this chicken. Okay. So as you can see, the chicken is actually cooking. Okay, I'm just gonna toss them over to the side. Yeah, we're gonna toss them over. Sorry for the noise if you hear noise. That is my washing machine. Okay. Yeah, that is my washing machine actually. That is going. Well, dryer actually in the drying room. So yeah, so I have to cut it down because this pan actually cooks really quick. What I add was some sofrito and some cilantro paste. That's what's on the chicken. I didn't pronounce it correctly the first time, but yeah, so I'm gonna turn these chickens over so they could cook and marinate on that side. Okay, so what you see is some cilantro paste. As you can see, the cilantro paste right there, and I have the sofrito. Okay, that gives it flavor to the chicken, which is really good because you know sofrito has everything. It's a paste. It got peppers in it and stuff, and it makes the chicken really good. So now I'm gonna put the top back on over the chicken so it can simmer. Okay, you guys? And I will be right back. Hey, Delicious is back again. So let's see what's going on with this chicken. Ooh, I see, it's cooking. Okay, so we're gonna give it another 5 minutes to marinate. Isn't that looking good? I had to change my frying pan, you guys. I had to change it, my stew pan actually. I just had to get a smaller pan or whatever, because that one was way too big, so I changed the pan. So yeah, all right, so this is going to marinate. We're gonna let it sit and marinate. You see all those juices? Oh, I love Martha's Stupid pan set. Oh my goodness, look how juicy that is. Look how much juice it endures. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna let that marinate, and then we're gonna put the top back on, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back again. So we're gonna take this top right off. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look how that chicken is sizzling right there. You see all of those juices? That's why I love the Martha Stewart frying pan. Yes, I love Martha Stewart frying pan. Yeah, this is what I was expecting. I wanted like a little bit of crisp right there, which is good, okay? So I don't want to overcook anything. So now I'm going to add the sauce. This is pretty good. I like that little crisp right there on the chicken. Okay, so this is, yeah. So look at all the juices. As you can see, the juices are still in this pan. This is why I like the ceramic pan. Look at all of that, all of that, all of that. Looking really good. That's the sofrito. I love me some sofrito. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add the sauce. Okay, you guys, I'm going to add the sauce into the pan. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that. We're going to add some sauce in there. I didn't make my own sauce because, I didn't have time to get no produce. I didn't have any produce in here. So we're just going to use the Pregu. This is actually Pregu, sorry. So we're just going to add the Pregu sauce. Okay, I didn't have time to make my own natural tomato sauce. Okay, you guys know how it is. Alrighty, so here we go. So we're going to let that simmer. I want those herbs to mix into the sauce. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Yeah, I want those herbs. So this is actually Pregu, so I'm gonna let you see it. This is the roasted garlic Parmesan Pregu sauce, which is perfect. So I'm gonna put that to the side. I just want that to marinate in there. We're gonna make this look really good. I'm trying to mix in the sauce and everything so it could just marinate in there. You know what I'm saying? Yes, this is going to be so good, okay? All right, so we're gonna let this marinate. We're gonna put this to low. Let that marinate. Put this top right back on there. Alrighty, look at that, looking really good. Okay, and I will be right back to show you the finish. Okay, you guys. So now we're gonna lift up this pot right here. So this is the cutlet, but we're not gonna leave it so plain like this. Okay, you guys, we're not gonna leave it plain. We're gonna make sure all the chicken is like together, all the cutlets, tenderloins. Okay, as you can see, all the tenderloins are all around in the center. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dress it up, okay? You know I'm not gonna let it just be plain like this. So I'm gonna dress it up with a little Mexican 4 cheese blend. Okay. We're gonna dress it up and make it look very presentable. All right. Yeah, we're not gonna use too much because I don't want it to be too cheesy. But yeah, we're gonna dress it up and ta-da! There it goes. I hate when the pans are like really, you know, all the sauces on the side. I hate that. But yeah. So ta-da, there you go. So now this is my chicken parmesan. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to Her Delicious Cooking, and I will be back with a new video. Don't forget to watch the next videos and the next videos and the next videos, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.